In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a screenshot on Steam if you've captured a great in-game moment and want to share it with others. On Steam, the process is actually very simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through opening the right menu, choosing your image, and uploading it so it appears on Steam properly. To get started, open Steam on your computer and look at the top menu bar. From there, click View, then choose Recordings and Screenshots. This opens Steam's Screenshot Manager area where your captured images are stored. If you've taken screenshots from more than one game, this is the place where you can browse through them and find exactly what you want to post. Take a moment here to make sure you are in the correct section and that the screenshot you want is visible. Next, select the screenshot you want to upload. Click on the image so Steam knows which one you're working with. This step is important because Steam can only share the screenshot you actively select. If you have several screenshots that look similar, it helps to preview them carefully before moving on, just to avoid posting the wrong one. Once the correct screenshot is selected, click the Share button. This tells Steam that you want to send that image somewhere instead of just keeping it saved locally on your computer. If you don't immediately see the button, check the Screenshot Manager window carefully, since the layout can vary slightly depending on your Steam version or window size. After that, click Share on Steam. This option makes sure the screenshot is being posted directly to your Steam profile or Steam community area rather than another destination. At this stage, Steam is preparing the screenshot for online sharing, so you're almost done. Finally, click Upload. This is the last step that actually posts your screenshot to Steam. Once the upload finishes, your screenshot should be available through Steam so others can view it based on your sharing settings. If the upload takes a few seconds, that's normal, especially if your connection is a little slow. And that's it. Open the Screenshot Manager, choose your screenshot, click Share, select Share on Steam, and then upload it. If you want the smoothest experience, make sure Steam is fully updated and that you're logged into the correct account before starting. With just a few clicks, you can turn your saved game moments into shareable posts on Steam.